you're taking the square roots, is going to work out to be a perfect square. So let's take a look at an example like that. And then in that case, we'll just have to take approximate solutions. And that's where you have to just simplify as much as possible. So we'll look at this first one. The first thing we're going to do, of course, is just solve it like any other equation and add 11 to both sides. So I have 3, pardon me, 3x squared is equal to 7 plus 11 is going to be 18. And then I want to divide by 3 on both sides. So I just have x squared is equal to 18 divided by 3 is 6. So again, I want to take the square root of both sides. And then I'm going to write this over here. I have the square root of x squared is equal to the square root of 6. The square root of x squared, of course, is just x, because those are inverse operations. And then the square root of 6 is actually not a perfect square, and I can't simplify it anymore. If I could simplify it, I would try to get it to be as simple as possible. But since I can't do anything, all I'm going to do is say it's going to be plus or minus radical 6. I can write plus or minus radical 6, and the other thing I can do is take the approximate solution, and a test may ask you to do that. So to take the approximate solution, all you're going to do is put this into your calculator, and what you'll come up with for the square root of 6 is, you would round to the nearest hundredth, so that would be 2 decimal places, so it's going to be equivalent to plus or minus 2.45. So either of these are valid solutions, but you have to be familiar with both because the SOL may ask you both. So go ahead and give these other problems a try. Also be wary of when you end up with trying to take the square root of a negative number. That's not going to give you a real solution. And again, check Blackboard for answers.